Have you ever asked yourself this question? Why am I not making money investing in cryptocurrency? Or why are some people not making money investing in cryptocurrency? Or maybe ask yourself, why are people saying that crypto is a scam? Have you ever bothered to ask yourself these questions? If not, then today I want you to ask yourself these questions. Why are you buying cryptocurrency? You need to understand why you are buying crypto. Secondly, what are you buying? Like, what are you buying in the crypto space? There are thousands of crypto projects out there. So many of them. Which one should you buy? Because you cannot go and buy everything, right? You need to choose which project out there are sustainable for you to buy and hold long term. This takes me the next question. How long are you going to buy and hold the project or the cryptos or the tokens you are going to be buying? Next is, what are your strategy to buy or sell this project? Next is, who is your mentor? What are your final goals investing in cryptocurrency? These questions I want us to discuss today. I mean, they are important, they are pertinent. I'm not here to tell you, go and buy this, go and buy that. No, I'm here to open your brain so that you can sink in amazing facts investing in cryptocurrency or any asset out there. Now, let's go to the first question. What are you buying? You cannot just go to the market and start buying anything you see. No, don't do that. That's how you feel. Someone told you about crypto and you jump into the market to buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum or buy any crypto out there without you knowing actually what you're buying. That's not a good move for you. That's something you shouldn't do. If say you are doing this, then stop. Take a step back and ask yourself, what am I going to be buying in the crypto space? What are the projects out there? Why are people buying this project or why people invest in this project? What is driving them to want to buy this project and hold for the long term or hold for the short term? Or why are people trading cryptocurrency? You need to ask yourself all these questions before you can embark on buying any crypto out there. The next on my list is, why are you buying it? Why? Why will you take your money, your hard-earned money, to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum? Why do that? What is pushing you to want to buy any cryptos out there or to invest in cryptocurrency? You cannot just wake up one day and say you want to start buying Bitcoin. No, there must be something, a driving force behind your mind or somehow driving you or encouraging you or making you to want to buy cryptos. If say you don't understand what is that thing making you or pushing you to buy cryptocurrency, then take a step back to answer or to solve this puzzle. These questions or these are important aspects when it comes to investing. And I'm sharing this with you because of my experience investing in crypto over these years. Crypto is not something you just jump into. No, crypto needs a lot of education, a lot of mentorship, a lot of things that need to be put in place before you can become successful investing in this market. Do you know why? Because the market is so volatile, lots of scams in the ecosystem. There are so many people out there who just want to get your hard-earned money. They're gonna create a project like that and expect you to invest in this project just like that. So before you actually get involved, make sure all these questions and more are answered thoroughly because I'm not here to help you to fail. I'm here to help you to win. I want us all to build something sustainable in this space. Now, when we go further, I want to ask you again this question. What are the strategies you have put in place to start buying cryptocurrency? When are you going to be buying it? How long are you going to be buying it? Who is going to help you? Who is your mentor? All these points or all these aspects are important because if, say, you don't have any plan, you don't have anyone to mentor you, to guide you, to educate you, then you are not doing good for yourself. You hearing someone says, I bought Bitcoin and I made money in Bitcoin, or I bought Ethereum and I made money in Ethereum, it's not enough. It's not sufficient for you to go and make money as well. You might be lucky and make money during the bull market, or you can catch a pump, but it doesn't mean that you understand what you're doing because you can end up losing everything just like that. I know people, including myself, who have watched screens like digital screens and see so much like I am rich, I am this, I am that, but in no time, the downside. So you buying a cryptocurrency or you buying any token doesn't mean that you actually know what you're doing or you have an investment plan. That's why a mentor is important, someone to guide you, to educate you, to be there with you step by step as you embark into this journey. Finally, what are your end goals or what is your end goal? Even say you have no end goal, like why you are investing in the first place, what is making you to invest? If say you have no goal, like the end goal, like that thing you want to achieve, investing, then in the end you are playing with your money. You need to have that end goal. What am I doing, or why am I investing? Am I investing because I want to build wealth? I want to accumulate a lot of these assets to use it against something in the future. If say it's skyrocket to 10x, how long am I going to hold this project? If say I buy Bitcoin right now, when can I sell Bitcoin? Is it when it gets to 2x, 3x? When do I want to sell Bitcoin? If you have all this in play, then when Bitcoin gets to that level, or the crypto you're going to buy, whenever it gets to that level, immediately you execute. And if say after that the price start going up again or keep going up again, don't get in. Always stick on your plan. Always follow your plan. Don't derail from your plan, because if say you derail from your plan, you might end up catching the wrong move or catching a false move. All these points that I've mentioned here today will help you become successful in investing, help you to become a better investor. I am not a better investor. I am still learning every day. But I can say I have enough experience in the space to keep making the right decisions every day as I learn. Every day, I make sure I learn new things. I make sure I connect with the right people every now and then. I watch videos online. I read articles. I make sure I am always updated when it comes to learning new skills, understanding how to go about investing, because I don't want to keep making the same mistakes over and over. My goal in investing in crypto is to build wealth, a lot of it, a lot, wealth that I can pass over to my generation. That's why I take my time to make sure I buy projects that have high potential to make me money 5 to 10 years. I am patient. I'm building, building. I don't want to rush. If I rush, I'm going to fail. As what happened to me back then. Back then, I rushed and I failed. I lost almost everything. So I don't want you to make the same mistakes. That's why I'm recommending you to go below this video, connect with me on Telegram or on Patreon. There, I can guide you one on one, like take you through the process, educate you on different projects out there and how you can get involved in it. I'm not here to force you to buy. No, I'm here to help you if say you decide to buy the right stuff and to make sure you make money buying the right stuff. You can buy the right stuff and it goes up in price, in value, and you don't know when to take out profit and the price comes back to where you bought it. You need to connect with the people who can actually help you. And I believe with my experience, I can teach you, I can educate you, I can give you what you need to take you where you want to be in this space. So connect with me through Patreon so that I can help you, I can guide you, I can push you to that level where you look back and say, wow, I love where I am, right? So go below this video, connect with me so that we can do something together. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Until then, guys, see you in the next video, or see you when you connect with me through Patreon or join my Telegram group. Bye bye.